So you want to make videos for your business, but you feel stuck. You're wondering what to post, what should I even share with my audience? And let's be honest, sometimes creating videos can feel overwhelming. Well, you have come to the right place because in this video, we are going to talk about video strategies that you can use to get more eyeballs on your business and reach more customers. And if you don't know who I am, I'm Brooklyn, founder of Brooklyn Social. We help businesses create compelling content that drives growth in sales through social media, websites, ads, anything to help get your brand and name out there. So let's start off by asking, why should you be posting videos for your business? We live in an age where video content is king. Whenever you go on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, you name it, what content are you seeing? You are seeing short form content everywhere. And this is a massive opportunity for your business to reach more customers. According to Sprout Social, they say that 78% of people prefer learning about a product or service through watching video content. And it's definitely no surprise about that. Also, video helps build trust. If you're only posting graphics or text-heavy content, people aren't really seeing the personality behind your brand. So get your team on camera. Whoever wants to be on camera, the more that you can share behind the scenes, talk about what it is that you do, the better. I want to talk about how you can actually make videos that stop the scroll and reach your dream customers. So number one is you gotta have a strong hook. If you don't capture people within the first 3 seconds of your video, they're gonna swipe on by. So some things that you can do is ask a question, say a bold statement, anything that's gonna stop someone from scrolling. So for example, instead of saying, "Hey guys, today we're gonna be talking about marketing," no, you'd never want to start off by saying that. Instead, you want to say, if you are not doing this one thing, you are missing out. Do you see the difference there? Instead of starting by saying, "Hey guys," I'm saying, if you always want to target one person, because when you think about it, it's one person that's watching your content. You don't want to act like you're speaking to everyone. Whenever you speak, you want to speak to one person. Number two is you really want to understand your audience. So who are you trying to target? What are their pain points? What things are they struggling with? And another thing is, why should your audience care about the content that you're posting? So anytime I post a video or any type of piece of content, I always ask, why should someone care? And then this will help you create better copy in your video and in your captions so that they understand, why is this important right now at this time? Okay, number three is get right to the point. You don't want to have any fluff in your videos because whoever you're trying to target, they're busy. They got a lot going on. And if you are spending a lot of time rambling at the beginning, adding a lot of filler words, people are going to just swipe on by. So get right to the point in your videos. Number four is always have a clear call to action. So you always want to direct your audience to go somewhere, whether it's your website, whether it's following you. You never want to miss out on an opportunity for someone to do something. Okay, so number five is have good lighting and audio. You do not want to skip this step. Even if you are using an iPhone, you can still stand near a window. In fact, right now I'm right in front of a window and I have a simple tripod in front of me. This helps give great lighting. And then also having some type of microphone, or if you're just starting out, having something really simple like those microphones that clip on you, anything that's going to make you sound and look great. You want to do that. And especially on social media, if your lighting is off, the algorithm is actually not going to push your videos out. So you really want to focus on having good lighting. So if you are a business who wants to make more videos for your business, but you simply don't have the time or you don't want to do it, that is where our business can come in at Brooklyn Social. We can help film, edit, and distribute your videos across your social media channels, upload them to your website, create ads, you name it. We can help from everything from strategy, brainstorming, and we really want to be collaborative with you. So any ideas that you have, we can work alongside you because we know how overwhelming it can feel to juggle all the marketing tasks in your business. that is where we want to help you. So if that sounds interesting to you, please book a call with us at brooklynsocial.co and we'll be happy to chat with you. And if you are someone who wants to start seeing results on your videos today, make sure to download our free video marketing checklist. In that checklist, we talk about tips that you can use in your videos to help reach more people and create captivating videos for your audience. Make sure to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in the next video.